Hi guys, welcome back. So I went ahead and outlined all of my organic lines in black Sharpie, and I outlined my horizontal organic line as well. I'm just going to kind of jump into the next part so that you guys can understand what I'm doing. So we made our 9 organic lines, and then we made our 1 horizontal organic line from left to right. And then we chose a section, it was this one, and we picked the spot in the middle where we're gonna make our almond or eyeball shape. So we're gonna go ahead and pick back up on that. So these lines I'm making, these eyeball shaped lines, are what you would call contour lines. We're going to use them to add volume and dimension to our sections, and you'll see what I mean later when it gets finished. So if you have questions at this point, or if you're doing it right, if your organic lines look good or not, feel free to send me an email, send me some pictures, and I will be happy to help you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get going here. So after we've made our eyeball shape in the midsection of all of our areas, see I have these 2 outlined, but these ones are still in pencil. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to repeat that same contour line on either side. So if I'm going up, this contour line, or these contour lines are going to look like frowny faces. This looks like a frowny face, see? Okay, so we're going to do that. And I encourage you to add a variation of lines. So maybe on this section, you're gonna add a bunch of these sad face lines. And on the next section, maybe you're going to add fewer, like so. So one thing I want you to remember is you do not have to line up your lines. You do not have to, oh, I made a line here, gotta make one there, here, there, gotta make one here, gotta make one here. You don't need to obsess over it like that. You just need to make sure the lines are going the right direction. So these lines are going to be going like a frowny face, and we're gonna go all the way up to the top of our page. And then I'm sure you can guess what we'll do on this one. This looks like a smiley face, see? So then we're going to repeat that contour line, smiley face shape all the way down. I'm going to add lots of lines here. In the next section, I might add fewer lines. This adds some visual interest, makes them look different, and makes the illusion more powerful. So you want a lot of diversity when you're doing this. You don't want to line up all your lines. You don't want everything to look perfect. You don't want everything to look the same. And what you're gonna do is use a pencil first so that if you mess up, you can restart, okay? Without getting a whole new sheet of paper and wasting your time. So I'm starting with a pencil, and on the next one, I'm going to be using a black Sharpie or black marker to outline it. Notice when I'm doing these contour lines, I'm making sure they're nice and round, organic. I'm not doing this. We don't want any harsh points, any harsh angles. That is not what we're going for. So what I want you to think about is frown faces and smiley faces. You're always going for that shape. So I'm doing a bunch of smiley faces right now, having fun with it, not being obsessive or trying to make it perfect.